It's a time for the most awaited award, that is a Best Student Award. Apart from the academic awards, Best Student Award is also been given to students each year. The criteria for the award is based on the performance of students in studies, extracurricular activities, regularity, punctuality, participation in workshop, social and cultural events. Based on all other criteria, best student is selected and awarded. This is a most prestigious award that we are going to follow every year for students. I request Sir Shri Sudhakar sir and Subba Reddy sir and Vikas sir to come on the stage to announce these awards. For these awards from junior girls Sinchana and Iksha. Sinchana and Iksha, please come on the stage. Sinchana and Iksha.
So hello everyone, music off please. So this is most prestigious award that we practice giving every year for 4 students. So these are the 2 nominees from primary section, girls. Okay, so I'm going to hold both of their hands. So whose hand I'm going to raise, they are the best student of this academic year. Okay, are we all ready? Are we all ready? Fine.
Countdown starts. 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Manoj from 6th standard and Yashwant from 5th standard. Manoj and Yashwant, please come on the dais. This is the most prestigious award that we are going to follow every year. The Best Student Award, we are issuing a Best Student Award for this year, and the nominees are Manoj from 6th standard and Yashwant from 5th standard. Now the countdown starts. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is Manoj. Best Student Awards for seniors. And the nominees are Thanushree and Vismaya. Thanushree and Vismaya, come on to the dais. This is a Best Student Award for the year. And in the seniors, the nominees are Thanushree and Vismaya. The countdown starts. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is... Congratulations, Thanushree and Vismaya. Please put your hands together for Thanushree and Vismaya for Best Student Award. My heartiest congratulations to all the achievers for your outstanding achievements.
So this has never happened in the history, 2 girls at a time. So it's not that we don't have a boy candidate. We had many, but actually they were extraordinary. So it was a huge task for us, selecting whom to get the best student. They are really no words to describe them. Guys, congratulations and all the very best for your exams from my side. Thank you so much.